Ever feel like your finances are scattered across a dozen different places? Bank accounts here, investment apps there, loyalty programs everywhere. It can be a real headache to keep track of it all. What if there was a way to manage everything in one convenient app? That's the promise of Vivid Money, a new player in the financial technology space, also known as fintech. But with so many options out there, is Vivid Money the right fit for you? Let's dive in and find out. What is Vivid Money? Founded in 2019, Vivid Money is a digital bank based in Germany. Unlike traditional banks with physical branches, Vivid operates entirely online through a mobile app. Their goal? To simplify your financial life by offering a one-stop shop for all your money needs. Features galore, banking, budgeting, and beyond. So, what can you actually do with Vivid Money? Here's a breakdown of some key features. Banking basics: open a free account and get a debit card for everyday spending. You can make contactless payments, send and receive money instantly, and keep your finances organized in a user-friendly interface. Saving and earning interest: Vivid Money offers interest-bearing accounts, so your money can grow while you spend. This might not be the highest interest rate on the market, but it's a good way to keep your savings from sitting idle. Investing made easy. Want to dip your toes into the world of investing? Vivid Money allows you to invest in a variety of stocks and even some cryptocurrencies, all within the same app. Remember, investing always carries risk, so be sure to do your research before putting any money in. Cashback on purchases: this is where Vivid Money gets interesting. They offer a cashback program where you can earn money back on everyday purchases at partnered retailers. Think discounts on your morning coffee or cashback on your favorite clothing store. It's a great way to stretch your budget further. Multiple account options: Vivid Money isn't just for individuals. They offer options for shared accounts, perfect for managing finances with roommates or family members. Security and regulations: is my money safe? Security is obviously a top concern when it comes to your hard-earned cash. Vivid Money is a licensed financial institution and deposits are protected up to a certain amount by relevant European schemes. They also utilize industry-standard security measures to keep your information safe. The verdict: is Vivid Money right for you? So, is Vivid Money the financial app of your dreams? Here's a quick rundown of the pros and cons to help you decide. Pros: all-in-one solution for banking, saving, investing, and budgeting. User-friendly mobile app. Free account with no hidden fees. Cashback rewards on everyday spending. Interest-bearing accounts. Cons: limited availability, currently only operates in select European countries. Interest rates on savings accounts might not be the most competitive. Investing involves risk and may not be suitable for everyone. If you're looking for a convenient way to manage your finances and potentially earn some rewards, Vivid Money is definitely worth checking out, especially if you're located in a supported region. However, if you prioritize high-interest savings accounts or complex investment options, you might need to consider other services in conjunction with Vivid Money. Remember, the best financial tools are the ones that work for you. Do your research, compare options, and find the solution that best fits your needs and financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially savvy.